Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to log into another Snapchat profile. So for you to do that, you have to tap on this avatar icon at the left corner of the screen over here. Then after that, then you move down to the top right corner of the screen and tap on this gear button. Then you scroll down to the very end where you can see log out. The only way you can switch or log in into another Snapchat profile is by logging out the current Snapchat profile you are in. Then by that you have the chance and access to log in into another Snapchat profile. So for you to switch or log into another Snapchat profile, you have to log out the current one, then you log in the new one. Thank you.